What's up, everyone? So let's address this elephant in this room. Should children learn AI? I found out last year as an eighth grade ELA teacher that students are already using artificial intelligence, and they were far more advanced than I was as a teacher. I had to play catch up. But the reason that I started the AI creator camps is because many students were using it incorrectly. They were not using it to inspire creativity. They were simply typing in whatever the question is that a teacher asked, they would get the correct answer. So I started teaching my students about ethics. Many students are already using it. Well, all of them are. Most of them are using artificial intelligence incorrectly. Now, AI will not replace thinking. Students still have to think in order to inspire or give AI directions. So, artificial intelligence can be used to enhance creativity, and it can be used for parents as well as children to advance creativity and make money. That's what it's being used for. This is a $1 trillion industry. And as a 64-year-old educator with 40 years of experience, I had to learn about it or get left behind. I had to learn so that I could grade my students' writing from the perspective of what they could actually do versus what they were telling AI to do. So, parents should guide children rather than ignoring or fearing technology.